Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried eggs in a stainless steel pan. First, place your 10-inch stainless steel pan on the stove and heat it over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. This allows the pan to heat evenly. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil. Swirl the butter or oil around the pan to ensure the entire cooking surface is well coated. This crucial step helps prevent sticking and ensures a beautifully cooked egg. Once your pan is properly prepped, carefully crack 2 large eggs directly into the hot pan. Be gentle to keep the yolks intact. Immediately reduce the heat to low. This prevents the bottom from overcooking while the top sets. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the whites starting to set around the edges and firm up nicely. To achieve perfectly cooked whites and your desired yolk consistency, cover the pan with a lid for about 1 minute. This steams the top of the eggs, ensuring the whites are fully set without flipping. If you prefer a runny yolk, remove the pan from the heat after this minute. For those who enjoy a slightly firmer yolk, continue cooking uncovered for an additional 30 seconds. Now for the best part, serving. Gently slide your perfectly fried eggs onto a plate using a thin, flexible spatula. Season them immediately with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. These eggs are fantastic on toast, with avocado, or alongside your favorite breakfast meats. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fried eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.